Meow. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello. Welcome if you are new on today's episode of What's in This Box. I don't know, but we're gonna find out together. It's kind of heavy, but we're also making noise. Oh, let me get my cloud knife, and we're gonna open this together. Oh, I just launched that so far. That's a problem for me later. If you're new to the Allure beauty box, this is for June. We're in June. Welcome to June 2026. Hello. This is the June box. It is full of fun stuff. Editing Me leaves all the good stuff below in the description, but you get full size, and they don't like to say sample, deluxe size items. Yeah, so let's open it and see what we got. And the boxes come like this every month. I love it. One year I collected all the boxes, like I just kept them and then wrapped everybody's Christmas gifts in them. It was kind of good because all the boxes were the same size no matter what you got. Cool. Ooh, this is the inside of the box. Okay. Literature. Let me put this down. I'm gonna have a question, so let me put this down. How am I already running out of space on my desk? Oh, because I put my glasses down instead of putting them on like a normal. Oh, we're not putting them on like a normal person. No. Okay. So we got an insert for the 2026 limited edition fragrance box for GQ. Cute. No, I'm good. And then the Reader's Choice Awards box. Thought about it, but I have a lot of these things already and I don't need more. Is anybody picking this up, or this I should ask? Trash. And then in this cute little booklet they send us with every box every month, Allure Beauty Box gives us a letter from the beauty director, but then also, oh, I forgot, also tells you a little bit about the products. Why they think you're gonna love it, how to use it, the retail price, if it's not the full size, or if it is the full size, you know, just kind of give you a hint, because you're just getting random stuff in a box. You have no idea. And they want to educate you, and I think that's really cool. And then where you can buy it. This first item, though, it's a choice item. And they've been doing this every month now. I don't know why, but I kind of like it. You get to pick from things that they give you. In this case, it was from First Aid Beauty. You got different items that you could pick from, and I picked something. Oh, there you are. Ooh, your lid's off. Okay, I picked the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with colloidal oatmeal, safe for sensitive skin, which I do have, unfortunately. I like to forget I have sensitive skin until the sensitivities become really aggressive, and then I realize my skin is sensitive and my hair is just frizzing out. I don't know why. It just is. Good for my hair. Anywho, back over here. So what is it? First Aid Beauty. You could either get the After Shower Nourishing Body Oil, or the Brightening Micro Powder Exfoliant, or the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub 10% AHA Fresh Strawberry, or the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. And I got the face moisturizer. Yeah. Two separate words there. How you'll use it depending on your product picked. You'll either slough off dead skin cells, wash them away, or hydrate your skin back to health. The choice is quite literally yours. This one was $28. Cool. I do like First Aid Beauty. I think they recently changed their packaging, because I have a lot of their stuff in this packaging, but I think they have a new packaging that they're trying to do or came out with. Something like that. It's just me. Just think that's fine. Did you guys pick, if you picked, did you guys pick the same thing? I almost got the either powder exfoliant, but then I was like, no, because I'm doing all this other stuff to my face. Or the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, but when I looked in my stash, I have two. I gotta use those first. On to the next items. This is from Lunar Nectar. Futurize Botanical Retinol Alternative Boosting Serum. $49. What are these? It's a purple moisture or purple serum. And when you apply too much to your pale skin, in my case, my very pale skin, it looks like I have bruises. It looked bad. Worked nice, but it looks bad. But this one is an alternative for retinol. Why you're gonna love it. Not every face can tolerate the power of retinol. Facts. Mine cannot. Well, not all at once anyway. Gentle baby steps. Hard baby steps. But most can appreciate its more sensitive, skin-friendly alternatives like bok choy oil. Yes. My skin still freaks out, but like, not as bad. Just breakouts, not the bumps and the welts and the ouchies. Yeah, that's me. Anywho, plant-based ingredients packed into this serum to help target fine lines, smooth texture, just like the vitamin A derivative. Cool. So at night after cleansing, pat 3 drops into the skin, forehead to neck, followed by moisturizer. And wear sunscreen. Yes, wear sunscreen. Please always wear sunscreen. Can I see what color you are? Because on here it looks like we're going to be like a clear. I just want to take a look. Oh, really quick. I just want to look. Oh, we are packed in here. Hello. I think we are quite literally shaped for this box. Like same size. But that's cool, it's clear. Oh, and we are like a liquidy liquid. Am I safe to leave this on the counter? I mean, it's in a glass jar, but that is super tight fit, but cool. Nice. I like it. On to the next item. Oh, I haven't had something from this brand in a while. Aceology. The Here We Glow Berry Mask. Oh, why you're gonna love it. This berry yogurt look-alike may not be edible. Oh, don't say that. Don't say edible. Here We Glow Berry Mask. Okay. Certainly offers impressive antioxidant perks, just like the juicy fruits made with kaolin. Deep clean, 5 different berries, fight radical damage, wrinkles, dark spots. How am I gonna use it? Slather onto freshly cleansed skin, making sure to apply it evenly from forehead to chin. Then grab a spot on the couch, catch up on your favorite feel-good show, welcome your new glow after 20 to 30 minutes. $69. Can I smell you? Do you smell like berry? Can't smell. There's a protective seal on it. $69. I didn't even put the lid on right. We feel like we're thickums. What kind of witchcraft are you gonna be doing on my face for $69? Okay. Woo! Next item is a Parfum. It's from L'Atelier Perfume. The Coeur de Pétales Hair and Body Mist. I probably said that way wrong. This doesn't look like a full size. The full size is 50 ml. The 10 ml is included in the box. The full size is $57. $57 for a hair and body mist. How much is the Rare Beauty one? Because I buy that one. Well, yeah, I bought in 3. I think they're like 20, 30 bucks. 50 bucks might be a stretch, but okay. Why am I gonna love it? If you've ever been to Paris, raise your hands if you've been to Paris. I'm not raising my hand because I've never been to Paris. Sounds like an adventure though. I do enjoy food. Oh, give me food from another country any day. Oh, anyway, been to Paris, likely strolled through the lush Jardin du Luxembourg. If you haven't, yo, that's me. A spritz or two of this flowery fragrance with notes of rose, violet, jasmine will instantly transport you to the iconic garden, sprawling flowers and fruit trees. How am I going to use it? Wherever you're heading, toss this tiny bottle in your bag and spritz on the go. I imagine it goes on my hair or body. Airy and colorful bouquet. Please don't. Oh. Let me grab this. Please don't smell terrible. Remember the tweezer trick. Tweezers. There we go. Twist. That's it. box is still intact because there's a good chance I'm giving this away. I'm not a florally girly, but I know someone who is. Ooh. First of all, look at, as I shove it in your face, this is really cute. She looks like the frost. Oh, give me a frosted bottle any day. Oh, dang it, it smells kind of nice. What if it doesn't smell this good? I'm nervous. That's actually kind of nice. It's soft. It's not as like, roses are super overpowering for me sometimes. The fake jasmine, the fake lilac smell, not a fan. It's really light though. Oh, dang it. I'm not giving this away. Nope. Yeah, you're staying with me. That's actually nice. I'm not a floral scent. What did I just say? I'm not a floral scent girly. But I'm going to keep this. Back in the box. Thank you. Is it just me or is it weird when like packing companies do this? They only fill up half the box. What's wrong with the rest of it? And at first I was like, oh, it's in case it gets like damaged or like safety during like shipping. What kind of guarantee do you have that the damage is going to come over here on these two sides and not these two sides where the bottle's pressed up? It's just me. It's fine. Anywho, ooh. I think this is a first for me. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever gotten a toothpaste in any of your subscription boxes. I think the Walmart one I do. I get the little samples, but like, are we a full size? No. Okay. So in the box is 1.75 ounces. The full size is 4 ounces. The full size is $10.95. So it's not too bad. I usually think the Sensodyne toothpaste, because I have super sensitive teeth. So sensitive. Like if I go 2 days without using it, it gets sore. So this is David's Hydroxi Whitening Plus Enamel Health Peppermint Toothpaste. Why am I going to love it? Who says oral care can also be chic care? David's mint green tube is filled with SLS free peppermint paste that makes the twice daily chore of brushing your teeth look and feel a little more elevated. The box, she looks cute. I'm a sucker for a cute box. Okay. How am I going to use it after flossing? Twist out the top, squeeze a pea-sized dollop on your toothbrush. Is it a dollop or a pea-size? Because there's a difference. A dollop is like wha-pah. But like a pea-size is like boop. Measure with your heart, I guess. Toothbrush, brush your teeth all with the swish and swirl of your favorite mouthwash. Can I see what you look like? I'm definitely keeping this and using this. Yes, ma'am. Pinch tube flat starting on folded in. Scan QR code for details. Baby. That's actually a pretty nice size. Naturally sourced and naturally derived ingredients. No sodium. Laurel sulfate free. Proudly made in the USA. Are you open already? There's a thing on the top, so I'm gonna, yeah. Say no, it's not. But, it says enamel health. Whitening I don't 100% like agree on when toothpastes are like whitening toothpaste. Like, no, you get that from the strips and from your dentist and from that weird guy at the mall in the middle who's like doing it on the weekends. But I don't think your toothpaste actually whitens your teeth. It may help keep them white, but I don't think it does the heavy duty, like, you know, pulling off the stains. Is there a dentist in the house who could explain better? That's just from what I understand. Ooh. And then, oh, two. It's an either or situation. It is not a guaranteed this is what's in your box. Okay, so here we go. So you're either or going to get the Paul Mitchell Sculpting Foam or the Paul Mitchell Clear Jelly Mask. And I got the foam with the lid coming off. I think I would have rather had the mask because I don't. Conditioning foam controls frizz. I'm sorry. Okay, hold on. What are you? So this is the 2 fluid ounce. The full size is 16.9 fluid ounces for $31. Why am I gonna love it? Foam froth mousse, no matter what you call it. Airy styler, needs 1 pump. Reap its texture defining body building benefits. That indulgent creamy coconut scent. I like coconut. How am I gonna use it? Shake, shimmy, and squirt the can upside down to dispense, and then apply evenly on damp hairstyling and amping up the volume as desired. Okay, I don't need to do any of that. I don't. For like the last 5 or 6 years, I've been in my hair caring era, trying to make her healthy, trying to make her happy, trying to still stay a little blonde. Not so much anymore, but like the healthy is important to me. So I don't use a lot of styling products. I use oils and leave-in conditioners and, you know, gentle stuff. But I mean, I guess it's good I got the small can because I'm not gonna be going crazy with that. But that's the whole box. That's it! The whole box. I honest to God don't think I've gotten a whole toothpaste before, but the fact that it says Enamel Health makes me want to try it. Anyone else? Any takers? Are you in a fit? Oh, it all fits! Ah, that is so perfect. Hello, welcome to June 2026. This is the Allure Beauty Box. That's pretty good. Yeah, and again, I'm going to use everything in here. I want to say no to the sculpting, like the mousse, the foam, the hair doodle. I have been wanting to see, because when I get out of the shower, my hair does like this light wavy thing. And then when I blow dry it, I blow dry and brush at the same time. And then majority of the time I will use a heat tool, like a straightener. I don't ever do my natural texture hair because it's kind of puffy. So it makes me think I might have like wavy curly hair. So I might have to try that out. And I know you need mousse for that because my mom has that kind of hair. So, and my little has that hair. So we'll see. But anywho, I'm going to go. June Allure Beauty Box 2026. I'm going to add this video to my playlist though. So if you like this box and you want to check out the past boxes, go look at that playlist. It's got them all in there. It's got other playlists with all my other boxes that I subscribe to or used to subscribe to. Anywho, I'm just yapping. I'm gonna let you go, but I will catch you in my next video. Bye!